like a Ghanaian.
Do you know something like Burundi?
No. Burundi.
Just heard Burundi.
No, I've not heard, sorry.
Oh my goodness. And from East Africa, now we are in West Africa. Hi guys, what's up? What's up, my beautiful people? In case you are new, this is Mr. Burundian Traveler. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel, comment guys, share, I would appreciate for that. So I'm in Ghana. I'm from Burundi, but I'm in Ghana. From East Africa, now we are in West Africa. So this video is amazing one, guys, because we are going to walk around, asking our brothers and sisters if they know Burundi. Oh, brothers, hi. Can I ask you something? Please. Oh, this guy, they are not ready for the video. I'm sorry, guys. Even I was not yet finished actually the introduction. But we are in Ghana, and I'm from Burundi. We are in West Africa, and I'm from East Africa. So today's video is amazing one, guys. We are going to be asking people if they know Burundi. Hi, bro. How are you? Yeah. How they do it? Like this. It's not easy. I'm from Burundi. Yeah. I'm Jean Cloud, Burundian Traveler on YouTube. Yeah. Do you mind if I ask you a question?
Oh, why?
Yeah. What is your name?
My name is Prince.
Okay. You say?
Prince.
Oh, Prince. Okay, Prince. I wanted to ask you something. Do you know Burundi?
No.
Oh my God. You had never heard something like Burundi country?
I see something from Burundi country, so I don't know personally.
Oh. He doesn't know. Actually, it's country. It's where I am from. The flag is like this one.
Okay. I see.
Yeah, this is the flag of Burundi. But you know Kenya?
Kenya, I see the Kenya.
Wow, they know Kenya. Okay, brother, thank you so much. Yeah. Okay, that was my question, brother. Thank you. All right, I appreciate. All right, guys. So the thing is that it is still like that. So you have to ask people. Hello. Can I ask you something, please?
Just 1 minute.
Oh, she's not ready for video. Okay. Thank you. Okay, sorry.
1 minute.
Hi, bro.
Do you know Burundi? Yeah, it's a U-turn.
You don't know Burundi? Hi, brother.
Yeah.
I'm from Burundi. Do you know Burundi?
It's a country, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm from Burundi. I'm Burundian Traveler on YouTube. I came to visit Ghana. Ghana been very nice, and then I said, let me interview people to ask them if they know Burundi.
Yeah, I've heard of Burundi, but like
you don't know.
It's in Africa country. Is it in Africa, West Africa, right?
No, East Africa.
East Africa.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But is there anything actually you know about Burundi or
no?
Oh, just a name.
No.
Okay, this is the flag of Burundi here.
All right.
Yeah. But you know Kenya?
I know Kenya.
Oh my God, Kenya is more famous than Burundi.
Yeah,
All right, bro. I was to ask you that question.
Okay,
I'm Burundian Travel on YouTube. You can go follow.
All right.
Oh, thank you.
Okay,
all right, brother. Okay, guys, we're still here, and actually, this is gonna be the story of today. Mr. Claude Joseph is talking to the people from home, so don't mind. Yeah, brother and sister, how are you?
Fine.
Can I talk to you, please? Come, please. Oh my. Oh, you are not ready for video, eh?
Not now, so she will come.
Oh, okay. How are you, bro?
I'm fine, thank you.
Yeah, I'm Burundian Travel on YouTube. Do you know Burundi? I'm from Burundi.
Burundi. Yeah, I've heard of it.
Oh, you don't know anything about Burundi anyway?
Not really.
But do you know what is Burundi?
Burundi.
Yeah.
Burundi. Yes. Is it not a Muslim country?
Oh no, eh.
It's not.
Yeah, let's say it's like French country because we were colonized by French.
Okay.
Yeah, so I'm from there and I came to visit to Ghana. So I enjoyed Ghana so much, and then I was like, let me ask people if they know Burundi or anything about Burundi.
A little.
Anyway, your name?
Ernest.
Oh, Ernest.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
All right, brother. Can I come? Girls are failing me, guys. Oh, hi. Can I talk to you, please? Oh, they are not ready for the video. Oh, girls, they are failing me. Why? Hi, sister.
Oh, say hi. Yes.
Oh my God, only that.
Oh, master.
Oh. Hey, so guys, the story is that we still actually in Accra. Actually, we are in a place of Accra Mall here. So we are trying to ask a couple people, and Need to know something. Hey guys, how are you guys? Can I talk to you, please? 1 minute. Oh.
You know something about Burundi? I not take a lot of this now.
Wow, they are not ready, man. Oh. Oh. Oh, it's fine. Hello, sister. Can I talk to you a little bit? Oh, no. They are not ready to talk. So, guys, we're still in Accra, in the city of Accra, Ghana. Sorry? So, guys, we're still in the street of Accra, Ghana. Hi, sister. Let me ask you something, please. Oh, okay. Hi, guys. I'm going actually to ask some people also over here, but girls actually they are failing me. Okay, let me ask you. Hi, sister. Hi.
Hi.
Hey, can I ask you something? I'm from Burundi. No, Burundi.
No, I don't.
You don't know Burundi? Oh, you never heard about Burundi like that?
What country is that?
Oh my God, she doesn't know Burundi. Burundi is a country. That is where I am from. But you know Kenya?
Yes, I do.
Ah, okay. So Kenya is in East Africa and Burundi also is in East Africa.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I'm from there.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, the flag is this one here.
So you're Kenyan.
No, I'm from Burundi.
But all of you are one. Because
Sorry?
all of you are one.
Yeah. We are one. We are African.
Yeah.
Yeah, even you look with some of my sisters too.
Yes,
Yeah.
I am.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Was just to ask you, I came to visit in Ghana and then I was like, better I ask people if they know my country.
Okay, you've told me now, so.
So now you know my country. Right?
Yes.
Oh my God, thank you.
Exactly.
All right. Oh, anyway, I forgot to ask you your name.
Favor.
Fivo.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm Burundian Travel on YouTube.
Nigeria.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Hi, sister. How are you? You said no? Okay. Wow. Guys, we are still asking people about if they know my country. And let's see their reaction. Or maybe you see that one doesn't know my country. She was not even know that Burundi is a country, but yeah, that is it. Yeah, you're on the call, sorry. Hello, guys. Okay. Oh, guys, I'm going to ask one of the person here. All the way from where? I don't know. Until she tells us actually. Say hi, please.
Hello.
Yeah, what is your name?
My name is Faith.
Oh, Faith.
Yes, I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, wow. I can see even an accent. Even. Anyway, who am I look like maybe in West African countries? Which country can you give me?
Apart from your accent, but I think you look like a Ghanaian because I see you here in Ghana.
Okay.
You look like a Zimbabwean.
Hi. Oh, they are funny. Okay, so I'm look like that, right?
You look like a Ghanaian.
Do you know something like Burundi?
No.
Oh my
Have
goodness.
I heard? Okay, I've heard about it.
Yeah.
I've heard, yeah.
What is that?
Burundi.
Yeah, oh, just heard Burundi.
No, I've not heard, sorry.
Oh my goodness. Even if it's where I was there actually to do a show sometime. Oh my God. That is a country.
That's a country.
Yeah.
Burundi or Burundi.
Burundi.
Yeah, I've heard of it.
So that is a country. Actually,
Okay.
that is where I am from.
That's where you're from.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes. So you don't know anything like Burundi is a country or any history about
it's
it?
a country, but
Yeah.
the way you're, pronouncing it and
Maybe not the way you guys.
Yeah,
Oh,
so that's why
man.
I'm a little bit confused.
Yeah. If someone show you like the Burundian flag, can you understand like is the one or not? Oh my goodness, guys, I have to show her anyway. Huh? Oh, even I have it over here. This is a Burundian flag.
Okay.
Or maybe it's not much clear. I came to visit Ghana this is my first time to be in West Africa.
Wow.
So I decided, let me ask people if they know my country at least.
Okay.
Yeah, I've been traveling in different countries, and this is my 11th country.
Wow.
So I decided, let me ask people if they do know Burundi. So I tried it so far. People they don't know.
Yes. So you see, yes. Somehow it rings a bell, but I
Okay.
just forgot.
Not much, right?
So it's your first time. Oh, you're welcome. We are Nigerians, but we come to Ghana always.
Oh,
Yeah.
It's my first time.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah, thank you. Even Nigeria, I'm coming.
But we are the same color. You've not been to
Yeah.
Nigeria?
No.
Oh, when you come to Nigeria, we'll take care of you.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, Nigerians are very receptive people.
Oh, amazing.
Yes.
Nice to hear that actually from you.
You can visit Nigeria.
Oh, thank you. So very soon, guys. Nigerian, they are very friendly. Actually, I was trying to ask Ghanaian women or ladies if they know anything about Burundi. They don't need to give me their time. So it's just about a country.
No, another thing.
Someone who is. Wow, guys, we are inside of the mall. So, hi, brother. Oi.
Burundi, let's go inside and you'll get some.
Yeah, they will know. Do you know Burundi?
Burundi.
Yes.
Burundi, I know in football, but the country, no.
Oh, you don't know if it's a country?
No, I know it's a country, but
Yeah.
I
You don't know much about
I don't know too much.
Oh, okay. I'm from Burundi then.
Okay. It's fine,
Yeah.
Burundi?
Sorry?
It's fine, Burundi?
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, so I've been traveling actually different parts of the world, and then I decided to come to Ghana. You from Ghana?
I'm original from Ghana, from my dad and my mother, but I don't live in Ghana. I live in France.
Oh, you live in France. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I know a little bit, not much. In Burundi, we were colonized by Belgians, so they speak French.
You speak French?
Yeah, but me is not that much. That's why you hear I'm trying to speak English.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh,
What's the language of Burundi?
Burundi and Kirundi.
Kirundi?
Yeah.
Kirundi?
Kirundi.
Kirundi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you met a Burundian before?
No, I don't meet Burundi. This is the first time.
Oh, okay. All right, bro. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, brother. Yeah. Oh, your name, please?
Prosper.
Prosper. Oh, Prosper.
Yeah, c'est ça.
Jean-Claude.
Jean-Claude.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay,
Oh,
thank
you
you.
have the name of French Jean-Claude?
Yeah. In Burundi, we use those one.
Okay.
Yeah. Like Jean-Claude, Benigne, Aline. There is a lot of names over there actually, which is French. Frederic.
Frederic.
Yeah. So that is it.
Can you speak in Burundi, please?
Yes. What do you want me to tell you about Burundi? Do you want to say thank you or bonjour?
Bonjour.
Mwake.
Boake.
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 Yeah. Boake.
Ah, Wake.
Boake. Yeah.
Boake. Ye.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Boake. Ye.
Yes, it's something like that. Or there is a lot of way you can say that, but there is Boake or Mwats. Boake, I think, is more easier. And if you want to tell someone like, how are you? You say Amakuru Yahweh.
You said what?
Amakuru
Amakuru
Yahweh.
Yahweh.
Yes, something.
Amakuru Yahweh.
Hey, how
Oh.
are you? Yeah, something like that.
Amakuru Yahweh.
Yes.
Okay.
But you know Rwanda. Kigali, Rwanda.
Rwanda, it's what?
The country called Rwanda. You don't know?
Ah, Rwanda, yes, I know.
Yeah, we are next to Rwanda. Rwanda is
Okay.
here, Burundi is like here.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, thank you. The flag of Burundi is this one.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if I have it on the phone here. Okay. This one.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, bro. Thank you for your time, Mr. I forgot the name. Ah, Prosper.
John Claude.
Prosper. Oh, thank you, bro. All right. Okay. Okay, bro. Sisters, can I ask you something, please?
Close your eyes and just stay tight.